If you have thousands of downloadable products, and you need to update the files for some reason, such as fixing bugs or updating them to the latest versions, you'll have to upload the new files and set the new URLs for your products, which is a time-consuming task. To help you with this task, we'll show you how you can use the Easy Digital Download Spreadsheet plugin to apply changes to your downloads quickly and easily. This plugin displays all your downloads in a nice spreadsheet, where you can edit the downloads individually. You can also edit them in bulk using the powerful bulk edit tool. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. The WordPress sheet editor allows you to increase or decrease the number of files you add to your downloads. So, if you sell products that involve 3, 4 or 5 downloads, you can set that number of fields in the spreadsheet. To do this, you need to go to Advanced Settings. Now go to the EDD sheet. Set the number of files you want to display in the spreadsheet using this field. And save your changes. You can add, replace or delete files individually from the spreadsheet. This saves you a lot of time because you don't have to open and edit the products one by one. You will only have to enter or delete content using the corresponding cells, as you would do in Excel or Google Sheets. For example, if you go to the cells in the file, you'll be able to make changes for as many products as you want. Once you're done, don't forget to save the changes. As you can see, the spreadsheet shows you all the products, and maybe you need to select only some of them to edit them freely. To do this, we'll need to use the search tool. Once the tool is open, you'll see that you can search for your products by keyword, author, categories, tags, and you can even enable the advanced filters to have more search options. In this case, we'll look for all the products that contain the keyword fashion. So we'll enter the word here. And run the search. Once the products have been filtered, let's see how to replace the download files of hundreds of easy digital download products at once. To do this, let's open the bulk edit tool. Now select the rows you want to update, in this case it will be all the rows for my current search. Select the field containing the files you want to replace. Choose the option to set the value. And enter the new URL of the download file here. Finally, execute, and the file entered will be added to all selected products. If you have created a new directory on your server, where your files are located, you can easily move them in bulk. To do this, we will simply replace a part of the URLs of the files, specifically the one that has to do with the folder where they are located. To do this, we need to open the bulk edit tool. Select the rows you want to update. Look for the field or fields to edit. Now pick the replace option. Enter the fragment indicating the old downloads directory. And enter the fragment indicating the new downloads directory. Now execute. As you can see, all the URLs of the files have been updated. Bulk editing thousands of easy digital download products in seconds has never been easier than now using the spreadsheet, advanced searches, and bulk editing tool offered by the Easy Digital Download Spreadsheet plugin. The best part is that it helps you save a lot of time and is super easy to use. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.